Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add audio to a video using VLC Media Player step by step. VLC lets you play a video with an external audio track or permanently combine them using the Convert feature. So let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Next, click the Media menu. Then select Convert/Save. In the File tab, click Add. Select the video you want to use. Then click Convert/Save. Next, choose your preferred profile, such as video H.264 plus MP3/MP4. Click the wrench icon next to the profile if you want to change the audio settings. Then go to the Audio Codec tab. Make sure audio is enabled. Click Save. Next, click Browse. Choose a location to save your new video. Enter a name for the output file and make sure it ends with .mp4. Then click Start. Wait for VLC to finish processing the video. Once it's complete, open the saved video to check the result. And that's it. You've successfully added audio to a video using VLC Media Player. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more VLC Media Player tutorials and tips. See you in the next one.